Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then select Connection and Sharing. Tap on this, then go down, then tap on this option, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. So here you can see Reset Settings button. Tap on that. Then read this message, reset all network settings now. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. So basically this reset operation delete Wi-Fi hotspots, then it delete mobile data settings, then it automatically recreate a new working mobile data setting. So that way we can fix network issues. Let me tap on OK. So you can see network settings has been reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix network issues.